Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Here we have a 2025 Corvette E-Ray, which is equipped with about $40,000 of upgrades. Most importantly, a boost district twin turbo setup. We'll include all that information in the listing for you on what's included with that twin turbo setup. Car has 4,700 miles. It was a direct trade-in here at Davis AutoSports on a McLaren that we had. Car is absolutely perfect. Very, very fast car, obviously. Factory forged wheels. These wheels and tires were obviously came on the car new. They were only on the car for about a couple hundred miles before a signature set of wheels and tires, which are included, were on it. So these tires pretty much have less than 1,000 miles on them. Carbon ceramic Brembo brakes. I think up front we are on a 275 Michelin up front. Carbon flash trim on the mirrors. We also, as we make our way down, show you all the original equipment that comes with it. You have your 21-inch rear forged wheel on a 345 25 21. Paint wise, it's absolutely perfect. Car comes with the original window sticker, which is just back of right over 120,000. You have both keys, books, manuals. For your options on it, you have your front lift, your forged wheels, stealth interior, as you see, so on and so on. So nicely equipped. It is a 2LZ. All of your original equipment is included, along with the trickle charger. Beautiful set of signature wheels. Your front tires are Proxy 888s. You have a massive rear for your traction. Beautiful set of wheels. Precision wastegates will have all of the hardware included in the actual listing itself. The car sounds amazing, pulls insanely hard. Obviously with the front electric setup, good traction as well. Car has two completely different looks with the different sets of wheels and tires. So obviously a more cleaner look with the factories and a much more aggressive look with these signatures. I mean, as you see, this paint is flawless as it should be. With the roof taken out, it is a absolute massive trunk. Tons of room in this thing. Behind the roof is your top for the liquid cooled intercooler. It is a huge aluminum box that's mounted in there. It's not in the trunk area, it's on the back side. That's part of the turbo system, obviously, from Boost District. Turbos on this thing are very loud. Interior is absolutely mint, as it should be. We're right at like 4,700 miles. All right, guys, we just fueled up. Let's go ahead and take this thing on a quick run. just in automatic mode. Unfortunately, we are in a 45 zone right now. So, yeah, I mean, this thing obviously drives completely bone stock, doesn't even have drone in the car at low RPMs. I'm sure this iPhone's not going to pick up the turbos, but even at a low RPM with just slight acceleration, you can hear the spooling of the turbos, wastegate release. Everything in the car obviously works flawlessly if it's a 4,800 mile car. Still has the new car smell.